Okay, so this is my potato patch. I also have garlic growing here. And I planted beans along the back side as well as a few sunflowers. Now these potatoes I had planted in like the late March time frame. So it's been a few months and you can start to see some are yellowing. I did a succession where 2 weeks later I did plant more, so that's why you see more green and tall ones. But these ones in the front are almost ready to be harvested. I was going to actually pull up maybe one right here to see. Oh yeah, nice. Right. So yeah, that was just one potato plant. There might be a few little heads still down in here. So there we go. Some potatoes. So let's check on this garlic as well. It still looks like it can go. As kind of the same rule with garlic is it'll turn yellow. So yeah. So I'm going to need to go ahead and pause this video. Currently I am at my dad's house where he's on a edge of a small town. So yeah, I mean this is a little cottage in the woods, yet yeah, I kind of go back and forth between my little cottage in the woods and here. Just like a few hours drive, but this is in a neighborhood, and so I'm having to endure someone, another person mowing their yard. That is the fourth person today. And it happened yesterday and the day before. I start to try to film these videos of the garden that I have here at my dad's house, which is, you know, like, and we're like on the last street in town. We've never lived in a town ever before. We're country folks, and now with as much lawn mowing and like noise that there is in a small town, I'm like, it's a bit too much. And that's why too, like, I'll give you a tour of the landscaping that I've done here and the eliminating of space. I kind of feel like I am yelling right now, and yeah, I'm gonna just take that pause while this other neighbor is mowing their yard. I mean, they just started. Okay, and that's the thing. That's the thing. There's a neighbor over there that mowed their yard today, and then when they were done, another neighbor started mowing their yard. And then once they got done, another neighbor started mowing their yard. So it's non-stop. all day long, like every single day. It's nonstop. There's always a neighbor within hearing distance mowing their yard, and they don't just mow at the same time. So I'm gonna pause this video because I really thought I was gonna have maybe the rest of this evening to get out here and enjoy some peace and make a video and film, but now I gotta shut it off because I'm actually getting really irritated because I have to listen to this and I can't then focus on this abundance that I just harvested. So while another neighbor is over there mowing their yard, I just harvested dinner. So I'll take you on that tour another time. So thank you for being here. This is the little cottage in the woods.
In the garden, plant a seed, water it, it grows with speed. Flowers, veggies, trees so tall, plants are friends, we love them all. Plant a garden, watch it grow, nature's gifts from high to low, caring for the earth we love, with help from the sky above. Veggies taste the best, nature gives and never rests. Let's plant more, dig in the dirt, it's easy and fun, doesn't hurt. Plant a garden, watch it grow, nature's gifts from high